Welcome to Crochet Joy. Today we are going to crochet an adorable Santa Claus ornament together. Thank you so much for your support. Prepare yarn in these 3 colors. A 2.5mm crochet hook, 2 small safety eyes and 1 small white pom-pom. First, let's start crocheting the middle part, the face. Hold the yarn in your hand. Wrap the yarn around your fingers twice. Make a magic ring. Chain 2. Round 1. 12 double crochets into the ring. 1. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. 2. 3. 12 double crochets completed. Pull the tail to close the ring tightly. Place a marker in the last stitch. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Round 2. Chain 2. Insert hook into the slip stitch where we joined. We will work 12 increases. 1. Place a marker. Second double crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch. 2. Second double crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch. 3. Second double crochet in the same stitch. A total of 12 increases completed. Done. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Now crochet an identical circle using white yarn. Do not cut the yarn on the white piece. Next, we'll crochet the beard edge. Keep the right side of both circles facing outward. Insert hook into the joining slip stitch. Pull the white yarn through the red circle. Pull it through. Chain 1. First cluster, 3 double crochets. 1. 2. In the same stitches. 3. In the same stitches. Slip stitches into the next stitch. Chain 1. Second cluster, 3 double crochets. 1. 2. 3. Next stitch. Slip stitches. Chain 1. Second cluster finished. We will make a total of 8 clusters. All 8 clusters completed. Chain 1. Now the hat section. Pay attention to where we insert the hook. Chain 1. 8 single crochets. 1. Place a marker. 2. 3. 8 single crochets completed. Chain 1. Turn your work. Skip 1 stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. 5 single crochets. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1 single crochet decreased. Work 2 stitches together. Chain 1. Turn. 5 single crochets. Skip 1 stitch. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1. Turn. Skip 1 stitch. 4 single crochets. 1. 2. 3. 4. 1. Turn. Skip 1 stitch. 3 single crochets. 1. 2. 3. 1. Turn. Skip 1 stitch. 2 single crochets. 1. 2. 1. Turn. Skip 1 stitch. 1 single crochet. 1. Now the middle part of the beard mustache. Chain 12. Done. Insert hook into the second chain from the hook. 1 single crochet. 1/2 double crochet. 2 double crochets. 1. 2. 1 single crochet. 2 slip stitches. Now the other side, working back along the chain. 1 single crochet. 2 double crochets. 1. 2. 1/2 double crochet. 1 single crochet. Mustache completed. Sew everything together. Shape it nicely. Did you learn it? Feel free to share and subscribe. Looking forward to seeing your finished Santa.